Hello, welcome to SprutCAMRobot tutorial. Step 1. Importing a 2D model. First we'll go in Project. Here, click Import. In opened window we can see a DXF file. Now the file is being imported. We will move the 2D sketch to the SprutCAM. Now we can move the 2D model in the center of our window. Just select the whole sketch and click Transform. Click Locate 0. Keep X to maximum and Y to minimum. Now the sketch is in the center of our window. We'll join the sketch in the single path. Just select the sketch, but don't select the coordinate system lines. We need to select only the sketch. Click Join. Press on Delete Sources. For now, the lines have been joined in a single curve. You can select again and change the color if you want. Select and right-click. So as you can see, the color has been changed. That's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.